Hello everyone. Today I'm going to present on nature and definition of intelligence, IQ and giftedness, presented by Anashwara. What is intelligence? Many psychologists have given different definition of intelligence. In simple words, intelligence is the ability to learn from experience, adjust to new situations, understand complex ideas, and use knowledge to solve problems. According to Wechsler, intelligence is the aggregate or global capacity of an individual to act purposefully, to think rationally, and to deal effectively with the environment. Nature of intelligence. The nature of intelligence has been explained in different ways. The first one is multidimensional. Intelligence involves various mental abilities like reasoning, memory, problem solving, decision making, creativity, and understanding, both inherited and acquired. Intelligence is influenced by both hereditary genetic factors and environmental factors such as education, culture, and life experience. Capacity to learn and adapt. Third, capacity to learn and adapt. It helps an individual learn new things from experience and adjust to new situations effectively. Fourth, can be measured. Intelligence can be assessed using standardized psychological tests like IQ test and other aptitude tests. Fifth, dynamic and flexible. Intelligence is not a fixed trait. It can be developed and improved through proper education, training, and experience. IQ and giftedness. Classification of IQ. Concept of IQ. The term IQ or intelligence quotient was first introduced by William Stern, a German psychologist. IQ is a numerical score that indicates a person's intelligence level based on the relationship between their mental age and chronological age. Mental age refers to the intellectual ability shown by an individual in comparison to the average ability of others at the same age. Chronological age is the actual age of the individual in a year. The formula for calculating IQ is IQ is equal to mental age by chronological age into 100. For example, if a 10 years old child performs mental tasks like a 12 years old child, their IQ would be calculated as IQ is equal to 12 by 10 into 100 is equal to 120, and IQ of 100 is considered average, where a score above or below this value indicate higher or lower intelligence respectively. Giftedness. Giftedness is a term used to describe individuals who possess an especially high level of intelligence or talent in one or more areas. Generally, people with an IQ score of 130 or above are classified as gifted. Gifted individuals often display advanced thinking, creativity, excellent problem solving skill, and quick learning ability at an early stage in life. Giftedness is not limited to academic skills but can also be seen in areas like music, art, leadership, athletics, and creative thinking. Recognizing and nurturing gifted individuals is important so that their talents can be developed effectively for personal growth and societal benefit. Classification of IQ. IQ scores are usually classified into different categories to help understand a person's intellectual capacity. One of the most popular system of classification was given by David Wechsler. According to the Wechsler's classification, the IQ range and their corresponding categories are follows. IQ range classification. 130 and above, very superior. 120 to 129, superior. 110 to 119, high average. 19 to 109, average. 80 to 89, low average. 70 to 79, borderline. Below 17, intellectually deficient. This classifications is helpful for psychologists, teachers and counselors in identifying the strength and weakness of individuals and providing appropriate educational and psychological support as needed.